Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily rename your Google Groups. Let's begin. First, once you are inside Groups, click over here on My Groups on the left panel. Click on the group you would like to work on, right? So on the left panel, hover down onto Group Settings. Here, you will see the group name, group email, group description, etc. Also the fonts, but this is the only section you need to work on. Group name, I'm going to change this, okay? So I'm going to easily copy paste this. So this is successfully changed to Team to Tomodachi. Don't, then don't forget to hit Save Changes right over here. Wait for a few seconds, and there you go, successfully updated. You can now go back, click on My Groups, or refresh, and you will see that it has successfully renamed and updated. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.